Hi, I'm Marna, and about a month ago we invited you to participate in a virtual ugly Christmas sweater party, and we even gave crafts and ideas of things you can make your dolls to participate. I ran out of time before I ran out of ideas for knitted outfits and sweaters and such for dolls, so we'll be doing those later this winter. This party was for any sort of doll at all in any kind of sweater. Of course, we prefer the ugly sweater. Without further ado, let's see who came to our virtual ugly Christmas sweater party.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about.
Thank you, everyone, from the bottom of our Christmas hearts for participating in our virtual Christmas sweater party. We really appreciate it. We really had fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.